Caring for and enhancing the environment is a big part of what we want to achieve as farmers. It's important to us. We're part of a catchment group here, the Porokino catchment group, where as a group of farmers we want to improve our own catchment for ourselves, for the community and for the country as a whole really. One of the tools that we're using here is the Fine Fert. We believe because we're putting our fertiliser, our maintenance fertiliser on over 3 or 4 applications a season, we're reducing our nutrient leaching hugely. The ability that we're spreading our effluent over the whole farm as a mixing agent for our solids, and putting our nitrogen on low rates is reducing our nitrogen leaching as well.